What if the freelancer does not meet the standard of the client? When to refund the client the money? Maybe the client is just difficult. Hi guys, welcome back to Supermom TV, the channel that brings you the best tips, strategies and tools for building your profitable online business. So if you are new here, do consider subscribing to my channel and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. So in today's video, I'm going to do a little Q&A. I've gathered many questions from my Job Servicing Mastery Telegram channel. So this week I'll be answering questions from 4 persons. So without further ado, here's the first question. The first question comes from Haley. How do you gather the necessary information or files from your client once they have bought a service from you on eBay? And do you recommend just emailing to keep in contact with them during the project? I usually communicate with my clients on eBay via the platform itself, and I will prompt my client to send me the files via Dropbox, Google Drive or WeTransfer, whichever they feel that they are comfortable with. I will also be using the same 3 tools that I just mentioned to fulfill the orders as well. So throughout the whole project, all the correspondence was done on the online platform itself. Irregardless of eBay or Carousel or Etsy, all these platforms I only use their built-in chat function. That means I seldom use my email to contact the client. However, it is good for you to obtain your client's email for any future promotions outside the online platform. If you want to find out the steps that I took to fulfill my job servicing clients' orders, then I have a video for you. You can check out the video here. The next question is by James Ng, and he asked, how do I deliver my services to my customer if the service I provide is outsourced? Do I have to be the middleman messenger between my customer and the outsourced services from start till end of service? Every time we receive an order, we will outsource the job, and we are the contact point for our client. In short, our client do not speak to the freelancer directly. It is the same as doing drop shipping. Your customers do not even know who are our suppliers or the wholesalers. And yes, we are the middleman. Basically, our job is like a project coordinator. We foresee the whole project from the start all the way to the end of the service. The third question is by Rachel, and she has 4 parts to her question, so I'll answer one by one. The first part to her question is, how do you answer clients and freelancers who ask if you are drop shipping or charging a higher fee? My clients and my freelancers do not need to know that I am job servicing. We are portraying as an agency whereby we have a team of freelancers to work on a specific project. Our fees are based on market price and we are not overcharging anything. In fact, most of my clients bought from me because they felt that the prices are very attractive. The next part of Rachel's question is, do you have a standard list of questions or bracket requirements you ask clients to send to the freelancer? Yes, I do create my own list of questions cater for different services. So the list of questions differs from service to service. For video editing service, my standard questions are, what are the purpose of the video? What's the video length that you need? Do you want to include titles? What are the format or resolution that you need? When do you need the project to be completed? And many more. Now to Rachel's third question. Is it illegal to take the freelancer's copywriting and their samples, even if you put sample to put on your own ad? I usually refrain myself from copying word for word because most of the time, I feel that the copywriting or the description provided by the freelancer is a bit too short and are mostly designed to sell individual services. So I will suggest you to add on your brand values. As for the sample jobs, I don't display them on the storefront, so there won't be any illegal issues here. Generally, when we are doing business, we need to get a bit creative and work smart. Do not copy things blindly. Now to Rachel's last part of her question. What if the freelancer does not meet the standard of the client? How do you manage this, and when to refund the client the money. Maybe the client is just difficult. Before we set up a job servicing business, there are many preparations that we need to do to ensure good quality and speed. One of the crucial steps is to source for good quality and reliable freelancers. All these steps are to ensure customers' satisfaction. One good example is that I like to offer to my client an unlimited revision for my video editing services. With this in place, I'm proud to say that I have zero unhappy clients. Of course, there are also other aspects when dealing with clients. Example, we need to provide excellent customer service. If you ever encountered a very difficult customer, you can offer them a few options to solve the problem. One example is to offer them to redo the whole project, or worst come to worst, issue a refund to them. You can definitely do the same to the freelancer as well. There are many steps needed to ensure a smooth transaction between your client and the freelancer. I explain in detail the necessary steps about hiring freelancers on one full module in my Ultimate Job Servicing course. If you are keen to learn, I will leave a link in the description box below. Question number 4 is by Harry. Madam, I want to know what kind of platform you use to do job service. And Upwork is practical platform to do services? Please tell me how to do it step by step. I use several platforms for my job servicing business. Mainly are eBay, Carousel, Etsy, Quicken Gigs, and many more. I only use Upwork to do my research and to get portfolios. If you are already on Upwork, then it is a good platform for you to continue promoting your services. You will be getting good traffic from Upwork, but you will be competing with many other freelancers on that platform itself. So I wouldn't suggest you to start your job servicing journey on that platform if you are a total beginner. I prefer to be known as a one-stop service provider and not just promoting individual services like what a freelancer would do. And for your last question, please tell me how to do it step by step. For job servicing step by step, I have a free job servicing blueprint that you can get. All you need to do is go to my website www.supermom.tv to claim your free 5-figure job servicing blueprint. I will leave a link for you down in the description box below. Building a successful job servicing business is no different from building any other kind of business. We have many areas to cover and to grow together. And that's why I'm here to share with you my experiences. I hope you have learned something today. Do keep all the questions coming in and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!